Computer hardware classifications. Contents. What is hardware? Classifications. Input devices, processing devices, output devices, storage devices. Conclusion. What is hardware? The components of a computer that are physically observable called hardware. Makes up the majority of the computer's peripherals, both external and internal. The primary distinction between hardware and computer software is that the former can be felt, seen, and even touched. Classifications. Input, processing, output, and storage devices are the different categories of computer hardware. There are several uses for each category. Input devices. Input devices are components that are used to input raw data. They assist in supplying text, picture, audiovisual data, and even facilitate file transfers between pieces. Examples of input devices include mouse, is a pointing tool that may be used to move the pointer on a computer screen. The majority of machines that utilize it have graphical user interfaces. Keyboards, used to enter characters into the computer. Task keys that resemble typewriter keys. Each key corresponds to its many functions. Joystick is a stick-like device that is used to monitor monitors pointer movement in order to carry out game movements. There is a comparable move in the game you are playing as you move it. Scanners. These are used to turn a paper copy to the digital copy that the computer can process. A book may be edited by scanning it and turning it into an editable format. Reduces the possibility of typing errors by precisely capturing the image. Microphone facilitates speech input by users into the computer system. After picking up noise from the surroundings, microphones translate analog sound waves into electrical impulses. Sound waves are picked up by the microphone, which either goes to the audio signals. Light pens are extremely sensitive devices made up of an optical system and a photocell housed in a tiny tube. A light-sensitive detector is another feature of the optical pen type that enables the user to point and choose items on the screen. These devices are mostly used with computer screens to select objects on the screen, draw, and write freely in document files. Processing devices. Processing is a computer's core function. This stage involves converting unprocessed data into structured information. After processing, the data can be put to good use. Processing devices include components that convert data into information. Examples of processing devices include CPU, also referred to as the brain of computers. It's the primary part of the machine that enables it to carry out all components and processing functions. GPU is a processor that is integrated into computers to speed up mathematical computations and aid in the rendering of visuals and pictures. It may be used for personal and conventional purposes. Videos, animations, and 2D and 3D graphics may all be rendered using the GPU. Motherboard is the primary circuit system of the computer, which is the computer's primary board. Another name for it is the logic board of the computer. The motherboard is made up of chips and a chipset. Sound card is a piece of hardware installed on motherboards that enables computers to deliver audio input and output. These days, motherboards come with integrated sound cards. Microprocessor is known as the computer system's heart. A microprocessor is a single integrated circuit within a computer. Microprocessors handle all logic and arithmetic operations. Output devices. The output category includes hardware components that distribute and display information as well as data. The cycle that starts with the input and processing of raw data ends with output. Examples of output devices include monitor. It's made up of a screen, circuit, power supply, buttons for changing screen preferences, and the casing that holds all of these parts. Monitor projects data from a computer onto a screen, allowing the user to interact with it through a digital interface. Printer. Printer's job is to copy all the data that is supplied from the computer to the printer. Printers convert the electronic data from a computer into a physical copy. Headphones. Output sound from the computer via two headphones for one listener. Headphones, commonly known as earphones, allow you to listen to audio without disturbing people around you. Speakers are hardware components that produce sound from the signal received by a computer sound card. Internal amplifiers in speakers vibrate at various frequencies according to computer data in order to produce sound. Projector. This output device projects computer graphics or video onto a wall or screen, as the name implies. Storage devices. Storage devices are components that store or keep data. Storage devices often allow users to store huge quantities of data in little physical space and easily communicate that information with others. Examples of storage devices include hard disk drive. It stores software and operating system files in addition to user documents including text, audio, video, and picture files. The hard drive stores and retrieves digital data on one or more quickly rotating disks using magnetic storage. Compact discs are a type of optical storage which reads and writes data using light and lasers. Compact discs were once just used to hold music, but in the late 1980s, people started using them to store computer data as well. USB flash drive is a device with flash memory capable of saving and storing data. Compared to optical media, flash memory is more compact, quicker, and has a higher capacity. It is also often more dependable and efficient. Since flash drives don't have any moving parts, they also last longer. SD cards are widely used in a variety of electronic devices, including digital cameras and mobile phones. There are variations in terms of sizes, grades, and capacities. All of them include a rectangular shape with a chip side to prevent the card from being accidentally placed incorrectly into a computer or camera. SSD stores data in flash memory and sometimes used in netbooks, laptops, and desktop computers instead of the traditional hard drive. SSDs provide several advantages over HDDs, including quicker read-write speeds, quieter operation, increased durability, and lower power usage. The primary drawback is its price. For the same money, an SSD gives you less storage than HDD. Conclusion: we have covered every kind of computer hardware and its purposes in great detail in this video presentation. Please share this video on social media with your friends and family if you found it helpful. Thank you.